given the hyperbola in a form of f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 3, and you are asked to find this f of x to be in a form of a over x plus p then plus q, so that you'll be able to spot out or take out the asymptotes of this graph of f. So how do we then take this graph and write it in this way, so that you'll be able to find the value of q as well as the value of p? So here's the solution. Let's write our function as it is, then divided by x minus 3. The second step is nothing but to write the denominator as it is on the numerator and close the brackets divided by the same thing. Okay? So what else do you do? Ask yourself, what do you do here to find 2x? You need to multiply by 2. Okay? There must be something to be added or subtracted here. Because when you have 2 times x, you get 2x. But when you have 2 times negative 3, you don't get positive 1. Instead, you get negative 6. So what number needs to be added from negative 6 that you are going to obtain when you say 2 times negative 3? What number should be added here to get this 1? Because you don't need negative 6 as the constant, you just need 1. So you need to add 7. Because negative 7 plus 6 or negative 6 plus 7 is equal to just 1. So you have that. So here you have to add 7. Alright, so what needs to be done? We need to split these things, which means what we have 2x minus 3 all divided by x minus 3. This 7 should also have its own denominator, x minus 3. So cancellation when things are the same is the key. So what you have next, you have 2 times just 1, then plus 7 over x minus 3. So the idea is to write it in a standard form, like starting from 7 over x minus 3, then plus 2. So eventually our form is reached in that form, and you know that the value of a is 7, the value of q is 2, the value of p is just negative 3. So we can take out now the asymptote of this graph, or the asymptote of this graph, which is what? X is equal to 3 as the vertical asymptote. Then y is equal to 2 as the horizontal asymptote. So this is basically how you change this form to this form in order for you to obtain your what? Your asymptotes of that graph.